So hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making a cake, a vanilla cake. So for this recipe I'm going to start with the 3 eggs. I break the 3 eggs. These are our eggs. I put the eggs into the blender. I add in sugar. This is 200 grams. Let us close our blender. I have to blend until it is mixed well. So it has mixed. Let us open. Then we add in salt, just a 1/4 tablespoon. We add in our vanilla essence, just 1 tablespoon. We add in oil. So we are going to blend until everything mixes well. So the next step, we are going to pour our blended ingredients into our bowl. Let us add in milk. Then we whisk until everything is mixed well. This is our flour. Let us sieve our flour.
So guys, where are you watching me from? Which city or country are you watching me from? I'm really interested in knowing.
So we are going to sieve only 2 cups of wheat flour. I'm starting with 1. In 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So we keep adding in our flour. Whisk again. So we are going to apply some butter. Apply some butter in our baking.
Again.
You have to make sure that all the baking tray. Then we are going to sprinkle some flour inside. So remember, we are using air fryer. So let us prepare. Guys, we are going to air fry at 320 Fahrenheit or 160 Celsius. Then we air fry at 40 or 45 minutes. So right now we are preheating the air fryer. We are setting it at 160. Then 45 minutes. Let us preheat for 5 minutes. That is how it is. So we are going to bake. Delicious. 45 minutes. Let's wait for it. Cake is ready. Let us see the result. So here we have it. Let us see if it is ready. Our cake is ready. It is ready. So look at it, guys. Look, our cake is ready. So guys, our cake is ready. This is our cake. I'm going to taste my cake I made. I know it is so delicious. Guys, it is so yummy, so soft, and they say it is fluffy. So guys, try this kind of cake and let me know how it will turn out. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly like the video, share and subscribe. Support this channel through subscribing to this channel, liking the video, and sharing the video. I really appreciate my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. Continue supporting me until the end. Bye bye. See you in the next one on Friday, 5:45 p.m. East